3 secret oil change hacks to extend engine life. Ever wondered what mechanics don't tell you about oil changes? Well, today we're revealing 3 secret oil change hacks that can extend your engine life and save you money. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Use high mileage oil, even if your car isn't old. Mechanics often won't tell you this, but using high mileage oil can reduce engine wear and seal minor leaks. Even if your car isn't that old, this special oil has extra additives that protect your engine, keeping it running like new. Pro tip: look for synthetic high mileage oil with seal conditioners for better engine performance. Hack number 2. Change the oil filter every time. Many people skip replacing the oil filter. Big mistake! A dirty filter keeps old contaminants in your engine, reducing performance. Always replace the filter with every oil change to prevent sludge buildup and maximize oil efficiency. Pro tip: get a premium oil filter for better filtration and longer engine life. Hack number 3. Add an engine flush before draining old oil. Mechanics won't tell you this, but adding an engine flush cleaner before draining old oil removes hidden sludge and cleans your engine from the inside. This helps new oil work better and keeps your engine running smoothly for longer. Pro tip: run the engine for 5 to 10 minutes before an oil change to loosen up the sludge. And there you have it. 3 secret oil change hacks mechanics hide from you. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance secrets.